Today we have a 2019 E300 in the shop for a grinding noise at the rear. We found that the brake pads were actually metal to metal. The customers told us that they just replaced the brakes 3,000 miles ago at a dealership. So we're actually going to remove these brakes, inspect them, and see why this happened. So what we found was the inside pad is actually on the outside, and you can see that this is metal to metal. So what happens with this is this little piece here hits on the top of the caliper and it's pressed in, so the pad basically gets stuck. So these pads were installed incorrectly at the dealership. The dealership actually said that we were incorrect and it needed a caliper, but that's not the case on this. Now we've actually determined that the caliper is okay, and also the guide pins are sliding perfectly fine. So we've installed pads and rotors, and we've actually installed the pads correctly. We put the inner pad on the inside, and the reason for this notch is for a brake wear sensor, but the brake wear sensor actually goes on the right side of the vehicle, this is the left side. So that's the reason for this notch. The brake wear sensor goes just like in there.